A-U. Sometimes two letters together make one sound. A-U make the sound or as in sauce. Paul loves sauce. Paul should have caught the sauce.